Got the Milwaukee fuel 12 volt cutoff. Plainly evidenced they should have gone with the 18 volt because of this DeWalt torque here. As with this, I've had for nigh on a year, and now she's chooched her last, apparently. I'm gonna have her down to pits, see if we can't get her fixed. Yeah, you got a handy little tool. It's great until something else comes along and obsoletes it. That's this. A clue. Got a wee bit of the green death there. We might have some ingress of water damage and subsequent corrosion. Got a little bit more than a wee drop of rain. We'll clean that up, but probably nothing for it. And unfortunately, because this is a brushless, it needs, you can't just hot wire it straight to the battery. It needs this driver in order to chop up that voltage to get the motor to turn. You can see the brain box, all kinds of passives on there, and the green death, as well as some iron oxide. She ain't looking too good. Not seeing anything particularly heinous. Nothing hanging off of there, no shit stains. So it might not have been energized while it was wet. We'll get some wiener sliding. No, it can't. Not allowed. Can't use this anymore. So the government changed the stuff, and then Corpo, WD Corpo, come in with some shills. Dirty bastards. Said my Vigeo was wrong, that they weren't banning WD-40. All they were doing was completely reformulating it and keeping it in the same can. It's not banned at all. You're taking the contents, what you actually buy, completely changing it, putting it in the same colored can, and calling it exactly the same thing. And then you hire people to come and comment on the Vigeo that I'm full of shit. In my own shop. Get the fuck out of here. Use the good stuff. That stuff's junk anyway. Water displacement formula. Garbage. Oh, the funny thing is, people came all over the place. Well, not people. Paid shills came all over the place to talk about the WD. Never said a word about Cosby's quench in a can or the brake clean. Also, the missus, she went and got her hair dude. Went, with them fancy fellas with the little dogs and so forth. They can't get hairspray. They got no hairspray at the clinic. Baby doll comes in. Hey, have you heard about this? You can't buy hairspray. They can't buy their hairspray. What is going on? I know exactly what's going on, but I ain't saying, because there's going to be some hairspray toting motherfucker on here to tell me I'm full of shit. Let's give her another little shot of the good stuff. I'm not bitter. You're bitter. Okay. Dead. I've tried nothing and we're all out of ideas. Cleaned it up. Seeing as how the entirety of the board had the green death, pretty safe to assume she's the fuck A. So, what do? You buy a new board, solder it in? Yeah, maybe, but probably not, since you likely get one of these for cheaper than you get the board. Thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice. Except for you, WD-40. We're friends off.